Hi friends, welcome to Vidya's Cooking. Today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare tomato soup, and this is going to be railway tomato soup. Railway tomato soup always has a lot of flavor and it tastes really yummy when you're traveling and you have this soothing soup. It's yum. So I'm just going to show you very simple ingredients used in the soup, and I'm going to show you how to prepare it. Very simple. I've used two large onions. I've sliced it and I've reserved it. I'm using shallots, tomatoes, then I'm also going to be using some mint and coriander. Just about one chili, that's about it, not more than that. And I'll be using some ginger and garlic paste, pepper powder. We also require corn flour, turmeric powder, chili powder, and coriander powder. All the ingredients used in this recipe, along with measurements, will be listed in the description box below this video. Detailed recipe will be posted on my blog. Blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video, which will direct you to my blog. I'm going to start by adding all the ingredients to a pressure pan. You can add all the ingredients, add water, and pressure cook it for 2 whistles. I'm just going to cook it open. So I've just added in a heavy bottom pressure pan so that it cooks fast. And I'm just going to add water and cook all the ingredients down. I've not added the corn flour. Corn flour I'll add later just for thickening. So I'll mix the corn flour with water and reserve it and add it later when I need to thicken the soup. I've also added salt as per taste, and I'm going to add about 2.5 cups of water at the moment, and I'm going to cook all the ingredients till the tomatoes, onion, and the chili and all of it softens and the raw flavor from the masalas has reduced. This will roughly take me about 10 to 15 minutes to cook on medium flame. So I'm just placed this on medium flame and I'm cooking it till the onions and tomatoes have softened. Now once the onions and tomatoes have softened, you just need to switch it off, allow it to cool for some time, and you can drain it using a sieve and grind it, because if you add hot ingredients to the mixer, your mixer might get jammed. So always make sure it's in room temperature and then add it to the mixer jar and grind it into a smooth paste. So now it is somewhat cooled down. I've just strained all the ingredients, and once I finish straining, I'll add all the ingredients to a mixer jar and puree it till it's nice and smooth. I've not added any sort of water to puree all my ingredients. I've just added directly to a mixer jar and I'm going to grind it till it's nice and smooth. So once I finish pureeing all the ingredients, I'm going to transfer it back to the sieve and strain it. You can see the color of the tomato soup. I've not added any sort of color. It's nice and rich in color. So once I finished straining the soup, just check for salt, add salt if needed. I'm going to transfer it back to the pressure pan. At this point, I'll be adding butter to the pressure pan, and I'll also fry a little bit of pepper powder along with the butter. That enhances the flavor. So this is one small step you have to follow. I've added about half a teaspoon of pepper powder. I'll fry that pepper powder just a bit and then I'll transfer the strained soup. Serve the soup as it is. You need not add corn flour. Corn flour gives that rich, thick sort of a texture. It gives a nice body to the soup. So that's the reason I've just mixed the corn flour with a little bit of water and I've added it. I'll give the soup a good mix and I'll bring it to boil. I've checked for salt and added salt as per taste. Once the soup starts boiling, it's ready. We'll go ahead and serve it. For regular updates, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, friends. The detailed recipe will be posted on my blog. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be posted in the description box below this video. I've gone ahead and served my soup with butter and a little bit of pepper powder. That's how they serve it in Indian Railways. Always we add a little bit of butter and sprinkle a little bit of that pepper powder, and we have to drink it. It's very nice and yummy. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.